There's something quietly huge happening inside Samsung's software labs right now, and it's going to reshape how Galaxy phones feel in your hands. Leaks are coming in fast, and One UI 8.5 is looking like one of Samsung's most ambitious mid-cycle updates ever. From new AI tricks to slick visual redesigns, this update feels less like a patch and more like the beginning of a smarter, more refined Galaxy experience that could easily rival iOS. Hey everyone, Sam here. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive deep, make sure to hit like, share this video, and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next big wave of Galaxy updates. Now let's unpack what's actually changing with One UI 8.5, because trust me, this one's different. The leak started with early test firmware for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it looked rough, finished icons, clunky transitions, and inconsistent visuals. But the latest build flips that completely. Samsung has cleaned up nearly every element. The quick panel now looks far more polished, with widget buttons that match perfectly in size, shape, and color. The small design inconsistencies that bothered users for years, gone. Samsung's clearly tightening the visual language to feel smoother, lighter, and more premium than ever. The digital well-being app has been redesigned too. Buttons are larger, easier to tap, and the interface just feels friendlier. For anyone who tracks their screen time or wants to unplug more often, this is a real upgrade. The lock screen editor now flows better as well. Instead of forcing you through awkward menus, you can instantly swap shortcuts or apps through a pop-up window. It's quick, it's modern, and it feels like Samsung finally nailed that customization flow users have been asking for. Then there's the phone app. It's subtle, but the new icon-only bottom bar looks cleaner and more balanced across the display. It gives off a futuristic minimalist vibe, kind of like what you'd see in a concept UI demo, but it's actually real this time. The Weather app now places the search bar at the bottom for easier reach, and the location name pops inside a bordered box, which not only looks nice but helps with readability at a glance. And the gallery. This one's been quietly evolving. The new photo editing interface powered by Galaxy AI has a fresh layout that shows all tools right away. No more endless scrolling through hidden tabs. Samsung also sprinkled a soft gradient at the top and bottom of many apps. It fades beautifully as you scroll, adding that fluid, high-end polish you'd expect on an expensive device. It's one of those details that most people won't consciously notice, but they'll feel it every time they use the phone. Now, this next part is where things get futuristic. Samsung's AI integration inside One UI 8.5 is about to make notifications actually useful again. You know how your panel fills up with random alerts you never read. The new AI notification summary feature condenses them automatically, turning that chaos into short, readable summaries. It's powered by Google Cloud, meaning it'll use real-time processing to analyze incoming notifications and show you only what matters. There's even a setting that'll let you exclude certain apps from summaries. Still under development, but it proves how far Samsung wants to take user control and personalization. And this is just one piece of the puzzle. Deep inside the settings menu, testers have found signs of other AI-driven additions still hidden in the code. Some early clues hint at smarter app suggestions based on time, location, and activity. Imagine your phone quietly adapting to your routine before you even ask it to. But the big twist with One UI 8.5 isn't just its features, it's the strategy. Instead of the usual small update, Samsung is skipping straight to a full-fledged 8.5 build running on Android 16. That's a bold move. And if leaks are accurate, it'll make its grand debut with the Galaxy S26 lineup in January 2026, including the S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra. This isn't a minor touch-up, it's Samsung rewriting the mid-cycle playbook. The rollout plan is equally impressive. Based on insider info, the list of eligible devices stretches all the way back to the Galaxy S22. That means not just the latest flagships, but also older models, foldables, and tablets are included. Devices like the S23, S24, and even the S21 FE are expected to join the lineup. Samsung's expanding its long-term support faster than anyone predicted. Foldable users are also in luck. The Z Fold 6, Fold 7, Flip 6, and Flip 7 are all expected to get it. Plus, there's talk that even older models like the Fold 4 and Flip 4 could be part of the rollout. And yes, tablet users are getting some love too. The Tab S9, Tab S10, and Tab S11 series are all listed internally. It's easily one of Samsung's most generous update cycles to date. Now, about the actual feel, people testing early builds are saying animations are significantly smoother. Apps open faster, transitions are cleaner, and the overall speed feels closer to what you'd expect from a major OS overhaul, not just a One UI refresh. Even the predictive back gesture finally works properly, showing you exactly where a swipe will take you before you lift your finger. It's the kind of small usability change that makes the phone instantly feel smarter. Customization is also taking a big leap. One UI 8.5 will reportedly allow full control over the quick settings layout. You'll be able to resize, move, or even leave blank spaces between toggles, vertical or horizontal layout. Your choice. Combined with Samsung's new blur and transparency effects, this new control center might just be the most beautiful one ever made on Android. And yes, many users are already saying it looks even better than iOS. And there's more. The navigation across core apps is shifting to floating pill-style bars. You'll see it in the phone app, gallery, weather, and even camera. It looks sleek, futuristic, and perfectly fits Samsung's less clutter, more clarity direction. The Settings app now includes more customization for battery icons and colors, giving you the choice between detailed visuals or a minimalist percentage-only design. Even the software update screen has been redesigned, now featuring a modern gradient background that blends shades of blue and green, making something as boring as checking for updates oddly satisfying. All of these refinements point to one clear message. Samsung is evolving One UI into something smarter, smoother, and more elegant. And considering how early this build still is, there's a good chance more surprises are waiting in the next leak. So, if One UI 8.5 looks this good now, imagine how refined it'll be by launch. The wait might not be long either. Samsung's development timeline suggests testing is accelerating, hinting that a public beta could arrive before the S26 launch. For now, it's safe to say One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be the update that changes how Galaxy software feels, not just how it looks. A cleaner design, faster performance, and powerful AI that actually makes daily life easier. It's the kind of update that makes you fall in love with your phone all over again.